Yep.
Yes, sir. Looking fishy.
Dude, this one's big. I actually think this one's big. This is okay.
Oh yeah.
Not as big as I thought it was coming in. Real fishy. Got one. It's a little one. This is the tiniest one I've ever caught in here for sure.
Yeah, I think this is kind of where we went. Fish on.
Fish on. It's fucking awesome.
You hear them.
Feisty one. This might be my better one. I'm on. That was quick.
What's it look like?
Small. Oh, she got off.
What was it? Look like a rainbow?
Looked like a.
There we go, son.
Coming out.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I just missed one. Yep. Oh, I got a good one. It's not a good one. It felt like it. This is the orange. This is. I'm on. On the jakes. Oof. Yeah, she's a two-hander. I don't know how many inches, but that is a beautiful cut.
Fish on.
Let's go.
Dip up. I'll be...
And then I can actually even... Bring her over here. I'll grab her. So walk backwards. Dude, look at the belly on that thing.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
That's a fat one.
There we go. Come on.
That was a little guy. Nothing to be sad about.
He must have got him just in the right spot.
And then he went on. I'm on.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Ooh, that belly.
Dude, that is another purdy one.
Get her. We'll freeze frame that. Oh no!
Whatever.
Big hoss.
That was a good one.